as all of you. And, previous class, I got a topic about my India. I have some facts about my India, and I hope that it will be different from any other students. First of all, friends, do you know about the name India? Where is derived it? Anyone? No, I'm telling you. The name India is originally derived from the river Sindhu River, and it is also called Indus River. Anyone know that fact? Okay, second one that and friends, you know that India is tagged as the mother of so many inventions like algebra, number zero, shampoo, and the value of pi. And last that our best dishes started at biryani, dosa, butter chicken, etc. etc. I know, etc. Before ending my words, I wish you guys, you all are searching new facts about my India. That's all. Thank you. Very good.
Question की महाराज करता है हम यार नोट जाओगे पता नहीं
क्या बोले ये तो
I want everyone silent.
First of all, good morning to everyone. And first of all, thank you for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. This is Sachin Kumar from Aurangabad. And currently I am a student of BCA in Siemens College. And today I am present here to deliver a speech about my India. So before starting this speech, I have some 2 or 3 lines for those warriors who protect us from outside enemies. So let's just start with these 2 or 3 lines. कभी ठंड में ठिठुर कर देख लेना, कभी तपती धूप में जलकर देख लेना. Once again, कि ठंड में ठिठुर कर देख लेना, कभी तपती धूप में जलकर देख लेना, और कैसे होती है हिफाजत इस मुल्क की, जरा सरहद पर चलकर देख लेना, जरा सरहद पर चलकर देख लेना. So we all know that our country got independence in 15th August 1947 from British Empire. And we also know that our country famous in all over the world for its rich culture, tradition, and festivals. Because many of the countries like Germany, US, and many more countries copies our tradition, our culture because they like. And I think we are unique in all over the world, and our country is unique in all over the world. This is my thinking. What about you? I think same. So there are 29 states in our country, and each and every state is famous for its rich culture and festival. Like Bihar is famous for Chhat Puja. Of course, it is famous for Litti Chokha, but generally, the slogan "Unity in Diversity" is famous, perfectly sit and fit with our country. India is also known as Bharat and Hindustan. So here Hindustan indicate our past, our history, which is explained by Dujgai. Okay. So it is one of the seventh largest country in all over the world and second most populated country in all over the world after the China. There are various religions in our country like Hindu, Muslim, Sikhs, Isai, and many more Christian, etc. And all the religions live together happily. But this is, I think, this is not line which is written in this movie. This is a foundation of love with each other and one another. Okay, but some people like some corrupted politicians, some corrupted government officers, some private sector also involved in this category who want to destroy the beautiness of this country. But this is our responsibility to protect the country from that types of people who want to destroy this, because we know that the India, child is the father of nation. Of course, we are not child. Yes, this line is written by, I think, Wilson. But we are not child, but we are the part of young India. So this is our responsibility to protect the country that types of people who want to destroy this, the beautiness of this country. So in last, कि दिवाली में बसे अली, कि दिवाली में बसे अली, रमजान में बसे राम. Once again, कि दिवाली में बसे अली, रमजान में बसे राम. ऐसा सुंदर होना चाहिए हमारा हिंदुस्तान, हमारा हिंदुस्तान. भारत माता की जय.
Anyone else? Next. Let it be. Is there a reason why you're not?
इतनी बातें करनी होती हैं आप लोग को, but still you are not comfortable enough to come up here and speak. Why? If you want to talk, then come up here. That's what I'm telling you. If you are so like you have so many ideas to share with your friends, then come up here and share.
Respected ma'am, and all my dear classmates. Have a warm afternoon to all of you. Today I am standing before you to deliver a short speech on my India. I feel highly enthusiastic, energetic, and very happy to be an Indian, which is very unique in the whole world as the Mother Earth in all planets. My India is full of unconditional love and care, feeling of respect for everyone, even feeling of togetherness as Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, and with unity of diversity. My India is rich in heritage and culture, as we all know that. Today, day by day, we are progressing in all aspects in the field of like social, economical, financial, environmental, political, cultural, and many more. The Constitution of India is truly makes my India very unique. In it is sense of providing everyone the fundamental rights and fundamental duties for overall development of a person. Even for the last person of the queue, as Mahatma Gandhi said and did. So at last, I just want to say only that I really feel proud to be an Indian. So I love my nation. I really love my nation. That's all. Thank you.
अगर आप अपने से लिखेंगे आप अपने से लिखेंगे स्पीच तब उससे क्या होगा कि इवन इफ यू हैव फॉरगॉटन वन और टू लाइंस or some words that you are not able to remember to complete the sentence, you know the basic idea that you are talking about, right? You know the basic idea, आपको क्या बोलना है वो चीज आपके दिमाग में चल रही है, so you can come up with one or two lines to complete your sentence, right? तो आपका बेसिक आइडिया जो होता है वो कंप्लीट आप कर लेते हैं बिकॉज यू नो व्हाट यू टॉकिंग अबाउट. सो दैट इज व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू कि जो भी गूगल से मिलता है उससे सिर्फ आइडिया लीजिए, राइट एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम योर. नेक्स्ट one more thing, what was your name? Roshan, right? Yes, you haven't switched on your camera. Next time when you come, try to remember that. I didn't want to disturb you in between the speech, okay? Yes, switch on your camera.
Uh, India is one of the Asian civilization in the world and is also seventh largest country in the world. As we know, in Asian civilization like Harappa culture, Mohenjo-daro, and India is famous for its culture, religion, and many more. Many rural king or were come from outside and ruled over the country. In ancient time, our country is one of the country who are well civilized. When we dug our country history, many things we learned that it's similar to our present days, and we found that it is very similar. In past, India is called as a golden bird, but now we see poverty in many areas because of many rulers like Muslims, Britishers. They are not only for rule. They came for take the precious items from India, and we are the country. I proudly say that we are the country where 22 plus languages are speaking, and only that country we have all the climate condition. When we go to the north, like Jammu Kashmir, we feel cold. When we come to the south, we feel moderate. When we came to the east, we feel rainy, and we came to the west, we feel hot. And in center of the India, we feel all the climate. And I think that the climate condition are not seen any other country. But we have many languages, many climate condition. And when we all proudly say we are Indian, we celebrate all the festivals and we think our nation is first than anything in our life. Thank you.
That is not your opinion. So what exactly is your opinion about your India? Because what you are telling is you are giving data about India. Okay. India में past में क्या हुआ, उनका history क्या है, उनका weather वगैरह सब ने आपने बता दिया, बट ये नहीं बताया कि वो told you before, and I'm repeating again. My topic was not India. My topic was my India. You had to write about your next. Sorry, there is no way I can fix my voice is low. You can fix this. Yes, please stop talking.
Good morning, friends. I am Manish Kumar. I belongs to Patna. Today I am here. I delivered a speech on our country, India. India is a democratic and peaceful country. It is the seventh largest country of the world and second most populated country of the world. a part of Kashmir, heaven of earth, the architecture of on our country as the Taj Mahal, Qutub Minar, and many others. A great, beautiful moment palace. The country in which you are born, and if you are most devoted to this country, then man, neither you are grateful to your neutral nor sorry, running on your vein. So last line, स्वदेशी अपनाने लगे हम, विदेशी भगाने लगे, खोजो कहाँ है ये सिलसिला जो चांद पे पानी मिला। यूएस भी हमने दिया, यूएस भी हमने दिया, मत पूछो क्या क्या किया। गोविंद में है नाज हमें, गोविंद में है नाज हमें, जिया डीएनए का राज हमें। तो थैंक यू।
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, on the next. I can have
Someone is coming. Me to call.
Thank you, Suchit.
Good morning, all of you. Myself, Aman Kumar, and I am here to conduct the speech of My India. So let's start. India. India is a very peaceful country. It is a commonly known as many names like Bharat, Aryabhat, Hindustan, and Revakhand. It is the 7th largest country in the world and 2nd largest in the population. It is largest democratic country in the world. Our country is economically good. It is a good in every field like education, construction, defense, sports, and etc. At the last, we should proud on our country. That's it. Thank you. अरे हो गए बीच में तुम्हारा हमको बर्थडे नहीं ना समझ में आ रहा था
Please,
गड़बड़ा गए हम।
if you want to listen.
Good afternoon, my respected ma'am, all my classmates. I am Rohit Raj of the new member of Siemens family. Today I stand here to deliver the speech on my country. India, one of the oldest civilizations in the world, which are reflective of the rich culture and heritage of the country. There is hundreds of reasons to love my country, but the most important thing, Indian, which is my identity. I like the energy, the spirit, and want to make my country proud in my own way. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. This line, it is not just a sentence. It is an emotion which is nailed in the world. But it is just a piece of our beloved toward our country. Actually, it is more than that. It is a place where not only in human, even in every living organism, there is a place of Godage. And this can only happen in India. You always hear about the diversity of religion in India. and also about that other religion force others to change, but is much deeper than that. They all assimilate the spirit of the others and grow under the same nation, which is my country, India. That's all. Thanks.
Hello everyone. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. Today I am I am come here
Yes, I want you to be silent.
come here to speak about my India. India is India is the very beautiful country. The capital of India is New Delhi. Hindi is our national language. It got independence on 15th August 1947. It is the largest democracy in the world. It lies in the continent is the world. We are second most population country. India is world's seventh largest country. India is an agriculture country. The people of my country is very hardworking. We have people of all religions, need their language are spoken in India. It is said that after 100 kilometers change in language, food, and clothes, I want to people of my country to appreciate our culture. India is the only one country which has the status of motherland. I love my country or very much. I am greatly proud of my country, India. Thank you.
Last row, red shirt.
Yeah, ma'am. I warm welcome to all my friends. I am Rajan, who delivered to a speech on my India. India is one of the ancient civilization in the world and is also the seventh largest country in the world. India is the one of the best country in the world for many reasons. Acceptance of food for many reasons. People of the relation, the closely bonded family culture, the biggest democratic nation and the fastest growing incoming with billion of population. India is the second largest country in the world. India is the God favorite country to be blessed with all seasons: spring, summer, monsoon, autumn, for winter and winter. People around the world also recognize India for its Bollywood, storm and beauty fragrance. Thank you all my friends.
Good afternoon to each and everyone present here. Today I am here to talk something which is very new. Where women are safe and walk free like men on roads. India would something like where there is equality, where there is no discrimination. There would be something like that of rich and poor. My India would be a country where all the people live with peace and harmony. But unfortunately, this is all about my dream country, India. The reality is very different and miserable. Today in our country, women are not safe. Whenever they go outside of their homes, they as well as their family have fear about their safety, which I think the worst thing about our country. Moreover, not in all parts of India, but in some parts of India, there is still discrimination on the basis of religion, caste, and economic status. Reservation, which I think is another big problem of our country. Today, just because of reservation, our youths are facing a lot of problems. I am not telling that reservation is a bad thing, but reservation in education is bad. There should be reservation in education. There should not be any reservation in employment. The deserving candidates would get the job faster rather than the reserved candidate. At last, I would only like to conclude by saying that it doesn't matter that how many are the problems. If we unite ourselves, every problem would be small. The only thing is just to do all the possible efforts for the betterment of our country. Because a small step can make a big difference. Beauty of India lies in our culture, in our landscapes, in our hearts, and in us, our Indians. That's all. Thank you very much.
Speech as it is, I want. Before the meeting ends, I have taken your attendance, so you need not be worried about that.